such an adrenaline junkie. Like, I love things that, like, I love going on roller coasters, and I love, like, one day I want to skydive, and I love bungee jumping and things like that. And being on stage is the same thing for me, so it's so exciting to be on stage. Like, it's so much fun. So I love being on stage.
All right, one more over here. Stand up.
Hi, I'm Bobby.
Hi, Bobby.
I checked out your Twitter page today. You wrote an article in 17 magazine. I thought it was really good. Now, I'm not a girl, but
I can see that.
the article and what made you write it, it was very inspirational, talking about how, you know, blessed you are to be with your family. And just kind of tell, you know, just why you wrote it.
Well, I'm a contributing editor to 17 Magazine, so every so often I write an article for 17 Magazine, and this time I decided to write it about just Thanksgiving because, well, it was yesterday, and for those of you who didn't know, Thanksgiving was yesterday, and so I just wanted to show my thanks to my family and, you know, to my friends, and last year was a really difficult time for me, and I didn't get to spend it with my family or friends. Well, I spent it with my family, but not like my closest family, like my immediate family, or what am I trying to say, my cousins and stuff like that, you know what I mean. So I spent it in a treatment center, so I just was really thankful to just be outside of, you know, a treatment center and spending it with people that I love. So, yeah.
All right, we got one here.
Hi, my name's Jennifer.
Hi, Jennifer.
I was wondering how your tour was going so far, and how do you feel to be back on the road?
My tour is going really good so far. I'm having so much fun, and it feels really good to be back on the road.
Oh, never mind.
Yeah.
Let's take this little one right here. What's your name?
Nicole,
Question, Nicole.
do you miss the random?
I do miss So Random. You want to know why? Because I became good friends with everybody on that show. Like Tiffany Thornton, who just got married, and I was in her wedding, and Doug and Brandon and everybody on that show, and I miss it. I miss hanging out with them, and I miss shooting with them. It was really fun.